गुड इवनिंग। आपका स्वागत है फिर से एक वीकली आउटलुक में। पहले मैं इंडेक्सेस को ये कर देता हूँ, आपको बता देता हूँ। एंड इट इज़ एग्जैक्टली, ये नहीं बोल सकते हम लोग कि यहाँ बोल सकते हैं, बिकॉज द एक्चुअल ट्रेड्स फेलियर टू ट्रेड इज हियर। तो दिस इज ABCD हुआ है, ठीक है। देखते हैं, पहले इसको देख लेते हैं हम लोग डेली पे। मेटल इंडेक्स, now metal index is suffering. It is not तो इससे पहले वीकली में चलते हैं। लेट्स सी ऑन द वीकली मेटल इंडेक्स में आई विल गिव यू अ लिटिल गाइड हाउ एक्चुअली थिंग्स वर्क। ठीक है, तो उसमें आपको समझ में आ जाएगा। एंड पहला हम चलते हैं, लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड द बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर मेथड्स। दिस इज द लो, this is the high, it has started here. So assuming before 2006 there was no metal index, assuming before 2006, it doesn't matter. It made a move up, it made a correction, then it made a move up, it made a move down, it made a B C, then it will likely to make one more low before heading towards equal high. Now why commodities do not behave radically? Because commodity price cannot be set, cannot keep on increasing. Commodity price cannot keep on increasing. So that is one of the ideal understanding on the commodities, that it will keep its way inside. So it has moved down A. Now it will make A, B, C a counter move before heading for C. Will it break this? I'm not sure. But even if it doesn't break and it will make a one more move up, we are going to get this again, come back, and then we can look for the upside move. That means we need to complete, one second, let me take a different color. We need to complete with 1, 2, 3 before making any short fell and start a new trend. Okay? So this is a basic understanding on the wave theory, or so-called Elliott wave theory. Okay? So now what are we looking? We are looking in there is a divergence in this. There is a divergence on the weekly. There is a divergence. So break up this, it starts move. Okay? And there is also a divergence from this to this. Okay? So there is a divergence. You can look for the upside. On the daily, you need one more drop before it starts making upside move, because this you need one more drop before it starts going upside move. It won't make a new low. Once it breaks this, it will start moving upside. First you can expect this A B C, then A B C, then wait for the correction, then starts for the upside move. Okay, this is what we are looking. Right, this one, small caps. Let's go to weekly. Okay, I'm sorry for that. I was supposed to take that, but I had clicked already that. Anyway, so let's go. Small caps are making equal high. They are heading for equal high. Okay, very likely they are heading for equal high, or otherwise the small caps has to prove themselves, or otherwise the small caps sometimes this is where everything goes crazy. sometimes they do come back and slash low and then they go up. In a way they are behaving exactly like a Nifty. Okay, this is A B C, then this is A B C, then we are looking 1 2 3 4 and we are looking for one more 5 to drop, so that once it breaks this low, small caps can start making a new high. Okay, this is what I'm my personal, and in the same way everything is safe. The only worry is that this bullish engulfing is very suspecting, because we don't have significant I mean the sentiment is not so good, so we may see a gap down and then we may see shallow moving down, because usually the last drop will be very shallow. It will be very shallow because of the gaps already it has made. So the last drop will be very shallow before any new high reached. I think now you are getting the same thing, same concept in energy. Energy, yes, energy. It's already, see, energy has made its peak here. Now what is happening is energy A, B and C, it is heading towards 42,000. Once it heads there, you can look for one more drop, the same drop what we saw here, before going for one more upside. So currently the energy is heading upside. That is the reason you see energy stocks are moving up. Mid cap, let me remove everything. Now let me be practical and give you, yes, one more thing I forgot to tell you. One second. Yeah, this is the number you can reach me on, this number on WhatsApp only, so that I have put it in the link also in the YouTube video. You can join the group only for your problems, because if you have any problems in the trading and if you are suspecting something is mischief, I can assure you that the both technical and fundamental views will be shared to you, and you can take your own executive decision whether to stay with those stocks or whether to take an exit. So that part of expertized approach I will give you, and I don't want you to pay for it. You will only pay in case you need an education course. Okay, you can ask me any problems in your this thing, and you can reach me out, right? So this, you can please note down this number, and there is a link for some, I don't know, I am not much aware of WhatsApp group and other things, but this is what I am trying to say. You can reach me. Okay, I don't run any WhatsApp group. I wanted to run it, but when I went through the regulatory this thing, so I thought, okay, let me say this very clearly. So let me clear it up. Okay, the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is most surprising. You cannot trust the Bank Nifty as it is. As it is, you cannot trust the Bank Nifty. I am not sure whether do you understand the seriousness of it. I had already once posted that Bank Nifty is a questionable condition, is in questionable condition. If Bank Nifty breaks this low and comes closes below, we are looking at an almost a discount of 50% on this. So the entire low somewhere we are 36,000 we are looking. We are looking for 36,000. So whatever I explain here, it is a forecast. It is a forecast that I am looking in this way. It doesn't have any valid it is not a valid trade reference, or whether we are going to trade in this way or not. No, it doesn't have anything such. So make sure that you don't end up saying that, okay, this is so powerful that people will say, oh no, you are wrong. And I'm sure people will say that I am wrong. But my friends, if you see the previous length, 60%, more than 60% has been discounted. I am not sure this is going to sustain anything here. Once it breaks the low, Nifty, Fin Nifty will also come down because it is influenced by the Bank Nifty. Okay. Auto Index. Yes, Auto Index can go upside one more time and it might go. I'm not telling it will go. It might go. But you need a confirmation. And on this also, again, Nifty 50 futures. No, let's go to this. Yeah. Just now I told in the Nifty 50 what is happening. This is, we are looking this wave 1, 2, 3 and 4 is an expanding, and we are looking for another downward movement of 1870 points. The termination point is 22,178 to 21,645, and it is there is no divergence here. See, first you need to understand there is no divergence here. There is a convergence. It is telling that there is no divergence on the daily. On 1 hour. On 1 hour, when I show you, see, I am showing you the Nifty. This is 3 of 3, this is 4 of 3, and this is 5 of 3. And exactly at this below, this low is 5 of 3. I will show you by marking on that. So this low, when you see that, it is almost 5 of 3. 5 of 3 in the sense, when 3 wave gets subdivided, 1, 2, in that again we have 3, 4, 5. So inside this there is a subdivision. So that is called 3 of 3, 4 of 3, 5 of 3. So in this is 5 of 3. So this is 5 of 3, that means this is 3 wave. So it went up, came down, and it has made a 5 wave up. So it's going to drop now. It might gap down 23,000. It might gap down by 2%. Then it will start making a flag pattern. Then it may come down and go up. Okay. So I'm not sure about the current status. It will continue to move up. Okay. So let's see. FMCG. FMCG is actually, it was my favorite, and it made some deception over here. See what happens when we see as an analyst, when we see this is A, B, C, then we saw A, B, C, then we look for one more upside move before any bringing down. But what happened here? The war triggered, the war mangur that got triggered, and it broke the long-term trend, and it has come. So is it bad? It's not that bad. It is A, it's a B, and we are looking for one more drop. From this we are looking for one more drop as a C. Once this is completed, we are looking in a upside move. Why FMCG is affected with the war? You all know there is a lot of dependability on export, import, raw material import. Lastly, Nifty IT, we are going up in this. That's all. I mean, you may see a little consolidation before we go up, but I am looking. Let me take that trend line first. Let me use the trend line. So I am looking this way. मुझे ये दिख रहा है भाई. We are heading back towards this trend line. So it may made a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It will just peak out here before coming down. So this peak out is not a small peak out. I will tell you. This will be around about 20%. 20%. So Nifty stocks will, IT stocks will make some around 20%. It is a counter trend move. Genuinely, it is not a trend as an upside trend, because you can see it has already broken the trend. ठीक है? ट्रेंड ब्रेक करने के बाद एक बार ABC कर दिया, यहाँ पे ABC बना दिया उसने, सो इट विल मेक वन मोर मूव अप बिफोर हेडिंग डाउन. ठीक है, यू गेट दिस? I believe you are understanding it right now. And BTC, I don't advise the BTC, you trade BTC, but BTC is coming down. देखो यहाँ पर भी ऐसे ही बनाया था इसने फ्लैग, फिर वहाँ से नीचे आया, यहाँ भी एक फ्लैग बना रहा है, उसके बाद यह नीचे आएगा. यहाँ भी छोटा सा फ्लैग बनाया था उसने, वहाँ से नीचे आया. एंड आई वॉज लुकिंग दिस विल बी द लास्ट पुश, बट ये मैंने मेरे एजुकेशन कोर्स में मैंने ये बताया था. एनीवे दैट्स लीव इट, मैं निकालता हूँ. यानी कि समटाइम्स पैटर्न फेल, so by having a realistic idea on how the pattern can fail, one can definitely make a executive decision on when to trade and when not to trade. ठीक है, this is a flag and we're looking for one more flag and come down here. Once it comes somewhere around 51 52, we can look for an impulse, then correction, long induced correction, and then we can look for impulse. ठीक है, so this is what I'm looking. And individual equity, I will do it tomorrow. I hope you have you have taken a note. I'll do it tomorrow. Okay, thank you.